Imagine every big problem in your business is solved with AI immediately, and all you have to do is exactly what it tells you to do, and you can scale it to the moon. Any bottleneck your company's facing, marketing, manufacturing, logistics, it's all solved with AI immediately. In this video here, I'm going to show you how this is reality for my brand, TherapyWear, and how we're using AI to scale our brand to reach our goals of becoming a multi-million-dollar company. Back in November 2024, we launched the world's first infrared heated hoodie for neck, back, and shoulder pain relief. This was our beta testing phase just to get feedback and to test the market. We sold out easily in our first 3 months, got dozens of 5-star reviews right away, and did a quick $35,000 in revenue, but we still had major problems and bottlenecks that we needed to solve. Number one, how do we get our manufacturing costs down because our costs were just too damn high? Number two, how do we ship directly to our customers from overseas so that we don't have these 60 to 90 day lead times coming from overseas and having to deal with all the inventory here? What my partner and I decided to do to solve these bottlenecks is take the plunge and invest $200 a month into ChatGPT Pro, which is the highest version of ChatGPT you can possibly get. Without knowing it, what I believe that we did here is we tapped into a new way of running businesses that every business is going to be run into the future, guaranteed. Now, although the free version of ChatGPT is just trained knowledge from the past back in 2023, the ChatGPT Pro version actually has live web browsing where it can literally browse the internet live. And listen to these numbers in terms of its processing ability and how capable this thing is. It's 150 times faster than a human at reading and summarizing words. It's 100 times faster than humans at comparing websites and articles. 60 times faster than a human at generating content ideas. And up to 180 times faster than a human at synthesizing data. Now, although human beings like me and you still excel at nuanced understanding and contextual interpretation, we're still going to be doing those things. What we're using ChatGPT Pro here for is taking into account all of the data from our business over our first 6 months. Every single little bit of Shopify data, meta ads data, QuickBooks data, every little detail of what our product is in our patent, in our tech pack is going to be uploaded into ChatGPT Pro so that it can synthesize the data that we will make decisions on and interpret in our own ways that will help us grow our business. Remember all those big problems and bottlenecks that I was facing with my company at the beginning of this video? Getting our manufacturing costs down, figuring out how to ship direct to our customer from overseas, scaling with Facebook ads. This is our solution. Since ChatGPT Pro has ridiculous memory abilities, so anything that we upload into it, it will memorize and store for us. We basically uploaded every single data point in our company up to this point so that it knows our business through and through better than we do. We started by sharing a link to our website, which is at mytherapywear.com in case you want to see where all this is. Then it literally told us how to upload all of our Shopify sales performance reports into ChatGPT so that it has all this information to work with. We started with our product performance, then our customer CSV, then our discount codes reports, our abandoned checkouts, and then our sales by refer so that it knows where all of these sales are coming from and exactly who our customers are. Then we loaded into it all of our meta ads data, our campaign performance report, our audience breakdown, and our creative performance. So basically every single metric that we have from our first few months running ads is now also just being digested by ChatGPT Pro. We connected our QuickBooks account and imported all of our reports from there so that it knows all of our finances, how much we were making our product for before, all of the little details in terms of our numbers. And so at this point, any question that we ask it, it knows our company better than we do. If I'm thinking about my own brand right now, I don't know the numbers off by head. I'd have to literally go back into the QuickBooks and look at it. But when it's uploaded into ChatGPT, everything's there and it has basically everything to work with. And so it literally knows our business better than us. Now, I want to show you how I'm using this to solve these problems in my business so that it becomes way more practical using this to truly run your business so much better. But first, I want to let you know that Apparel Success is sponsored by my buds over at design.com. And if you need designs made, I seriously recommend that you try them out. Just go to design.com/apparel success, type in whatever your sick ideas for a design, hit enter. Thousands of design ideas are going to come up that you can play around with, edit, using their tools as long as you want for free until it's perfect. I've used this a ton of times to make designs within my own businesses. If you're interested, head over to design.com/apparel success and you'll get 88% off the checkout. Now, let me show you exactly how I'm using this to solve big problems here within my own business. For example, our biggest problem right now is that our manufacturing costs are too high and it's not allowing us to scale using meta ads Even though we have a great customer acquisition cost on Meta ads, our product cost is just simply too high and we need to find a new manufacturer. But with our company, it's not as easy as that because we have a really intricate product that literally has heating elements worked into it. So there's a lot of safety risk. We need batteries that come with it, power banks that come with it. So hopefully our manufacturer can supply those as well. We have certain outputs and wattages and things that need to be taken care of in order for this to work as well. Also, well, now that we have all of our company information imported into ChatGPT, including our tech pack and our patent so that it can understand our product and what we're trying to make perfectly, we're able to ask it a prompt like this. Find us a reliable manufacturer overseas that can make our product at a price per unit of $25 USD or less. But wait, remember we also have that other bottleneck where we're trying to ship directly to our customers from overseas so that we can bypass the need to get it shipped to North America? Well, now we're also going to include in this prompt, also, the manufacturer needs to offer direct to customer shipping. After hitting enter, it literally found us the top 2 manufacturers for heated clothing. And not only did it find us the top 2 manufacturers for heated clothing, after months and years of research trying to find these manufacturers ourselves online, I promise you, I dug into every deep crevice of the internet I possibly could. I never heard of the ones that it gave us. And after doing deep research into each of the manufacturers that it gave us, they actually seem like perfect manufacturers to work with, and I couldn't believe I'd never heard of them before. Now, what's so crazy is that not only did it find us the perfect manufacturer with their contact details and with their website so that we can go check out their website, but when it comes to getting into contact with them, we needed to write an email to get in touch with them. And guess who we used to help us write the email? The help of ChatGPT. Construct the perfect email to reach out to them based on our product and what we're looking for, to screen them and to potentially set up a call to work together. We literally just had that call with this manufacturer last night and it went amazing. We're shipping our product to them to get a sample made right away. The point of this video wasn't so that you can use this in the exact same way that I'm using it, although you can if you want to. It's to show you that there's an opportunity right now, whether you invest in ChatGPT Pro or just use the free version, to run your business in a way that is so modern, so forward thinking, so futuristic that so many companies aren't doing. Most entrepreneurs haven't clued into this. They're not using it in this way with this much depth. And so if you haven't gone this deep into it, and if you're not using it this way, I highly recommend that you get on board. It could make you millions of dollars. It could completely change your life before everybody else gets on board. And I really hope that this gets you fired up to dive into it yourself. Share your experiences and thoughts below. I read every single comment. And if you want to work closer with me and a community of other brand owners, check out apparelsuccessmastermind.com. There's a link in the description. See you in the next one. Peace.